mud crew. The Forger here, and I have Ramathorn's 100 series Puddle light kit on my 2000 Land Cruiser. Now this is the version 2.0 that fits 98 to 02 Land Cruisers and LX 470s. This is the first snowfall of, well, probably the past 2 years here in Arkansas. So I figured this was a good time to test it out. And now, right now, it is on the constant on mode. I have a switch that allows me to turn it on. It will also open with the doors, obviously. I'll show you that. So I have a little switch right here. Turn that off. Then when I shut the doors, there they go. They dim off. Come up, open it. There they go. And man, I love these things. I mean, it just adds so much more light when you're approaching or entering your vehicle. And I mean, you can really see what's under you. That used to be a big complaint that I had, was that I didn't have these. And you know, you're in a parking lot or out in the middle of a field. I go duck hunting a lot, and so there's a lot of times I have to step over large objects or creeks or whatever it might be, and this allows me to see what's under me before I get in, and I love that. And then I can just switch them back on to constant on, and they will stay like that. And it really also adds very good lighting to the underside of your truck if you're working on it or anything. Now the camera probably won't be able to focus on the lights, but I mean, you can really see just about everything under your vehicle. You won't even need a trouble light. But Ramey, you killed it again, man. I appreciate it, I really do.